Introduction to Adobe Animate. Welcome to our Adobe Animate tutorial series. In this video, we're going to explore Adobe Animate, a powerful software application used for creating interactive animations, rich multimedia content, and engaging web experiences. Purpose and common uses. Adobe Animate, formerly known as Flash Professional, is renowned for its versatility and flexibility in creating animations and interactive content. It's commonly used by animators, designers, developers, and educators to produce a wide range of projects, including 2D animations. Create captivating 2D animations for cartoons, commercials, explainer videos, and more. Interactive web content. Design interactive web banners, advertisements, games, and multimedia-rich websites.
Educational content. Develop interactive educational materials, tutorials, simulations, and e-learning modules. Mobile apps. Build interactive elements and animations for mobile applications and games. History and evolution. Adobe Animate has a rich history that dates back to the early days of web animation. Originally developed by Macromedia as Future Splash Animator in 1996, it later evolved into Macromedia Flash and eventually became Adobe Flash Professional when Adobe acquired Macromedia in 2005. In 2016, it was rebranded as Adobe Animate CC to reflect its broader capabilities beyond just Flash. Current role in animation and multimedia development. Today, Adobe Animate continues to be a go-to tool for animators and multimedia developers worldwide. With its intuitive interface, powerful animation tools, and support for industry-standard formats like HTML5, WebGL, and SVG, Adobe Animate empowers creators to bring their ideas to life across various platforms and devices. Whether you are a beginner looking to dive into animation or an experienced professional seeking to enhance your multimedia projects, Adobe Animate offers the tools and features you need to unleash your creativity and produce stunning animations and interactive content. In the upcoming videos, we'll explore the key features and functionalities of Adobe Animate, along with practical tips and techniques to help you master this versatile software.